Okay, let's continue with the folders. And then when you start the program, this program will start index page. Here are the index pages, and then as you can see here, index page has two extensions, CS.html, CS.html.cs. And what does it mean? When you click the index CS.html.cs, and then you are gonna see our default page, some default method, for example, OnGet method. I wanna put some breakpoint here to show what's going on when I start the application here. And then I will click the Razor CRUD page, debug, start new instance. Our program will start in this page. I will write my computer password. Yep, it's running now. Yeah, it's come to here because this is my default page, index page, and when I start the application. And then as you can see here, OnGet method, OnGet action, my default action, when user click some page, and this page will start with OnGet method. Continue. Yeah, here is my index page. Okay, if you wanna start some data to show on this index page, and here my method, my action, and then firstly I'm gonna stop application, and for example I will write a class, public class student prop string name, prop string surname, student class. Okay, I'm gonna create a list, student list, new list, student list, add, it's waiting from me a new student, name John, surname, oops, not deep. Yep, and then we created a student list and we add a new student on my student list, and then here I will write a properties to show this student list on my page. How can I do that? And then there is a property here, bind property prop list students. Yeah, I will send my data to student list. Okay, it's done. I will change. No, I don't want to change for now. And then come to index.html page, and then I will create a row. Oops, div class row, for example. And then again div class table and div class table body. Okay, I'm writing for each here. Wash item in model dot students. Yeah, and of course item name. Second one will be item, sorry. We create a table body, and then we are going to create again div class table header. Yeah, this is not necessary for now. Okay, I will run again this project to show what's going on the page. Yep, I'm gonna delete this text. Let's move again to this html.cs page, and as you can see, OnGet method or action, my default method when user click or open an page in the application. And that's why if you wanna list some data, or if you wanna show to user some data, maybe method or anything you want, and you are able to load your data when user clicked to a page and using OnGet method or using OnGet action. Last time, check the project, debug, start new instance. Yep, this is my created data to show to users when user click to this page, privacy homepage. Yeah, as you can see here, everything's looking good for now. And in the next video, we are gonna create how to create a create method and create a student on the next video.